What if I told you everything in your house has a secret? That the boring stuff you use every day has insane features you've never even noticed? Today, we are exposing 10 secrets that will make you feel like a certified genius. I promise you will never look at your stuff the same way again.
First, go to your kitchen. You see this pasta spoon? You probably think this hole in the middle is for draining water. You're wrong. This hole is a secret measuring tool. Before you cook, slide dry spaghetti through it. Whatever fits is one perfect serving. No more guessing, and no more accidentally cooking pasta for your entire neighborhood. My idea of a serving might be bigger, but this is a crazy starting point. Look at your jeans. Now, you see this tiny, useless pocket? You have no idea what it's for. It's not for your phone, it's not for cash, it's a watch pocket. Back in the day, cowboys and miners had expensive pocket watches. Levi's added this tiny pocket to keep them from getting smashed or stolen. We don't use pocket watches anymore, but they left it there because it's history. And honestly, it's perfect for your earbuds. Go grab a tape measure. See this wobbly metal part at the end? I bet you thought it was just cheap or broken. It's not. That wiggle is a genius feature called True Zero that guarantees your measurements are perfectly accurate. The metal hook has a thickness, right? So when you hook it on something, it slides out to subtract its own thickness. When you press it against a wall, it slides in so the measurement is dead on. It's not a flaw, it's an incredible feature. We're back in the kitchen. You're stirring sauce, it's messy. Where do you put the spoon? On the counter? No. The answer is staring you in the face. This hole in your pot handle isn't just for hanging it up. It's a perfect spoon holder. Just slide the spoon in, it hangs over the pot so all the drips go right back in the food. Zero mess, zero extra dishes. It's genius. This next one is an absolute game changer. You know how your hairbrush gets clogged with hair and it's impossible to clean? We've all been there. But what if I told you some brushes have a secret cleaning tool built in? Check the handle of your brush. Sometimes the cap at the very end pops off, and inside is a tiny stick designed to lift all that gross hair right out. It also works for parting your hair. Not every brush has it, but you need to go check yours now. Okay, stop. We are halfway through. If your mind has been blown even once, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm not playing. The next 5 secrets are even crazier, and you don't want to miss them. Let's go. If you have a travel mug with one of these magnetic sliders, you know how disgusting they get inside. You probably thought it was impossible to clean. You were wrong. That little slider is designed to pop right off. It's just magnets. Now you can clean the slider, the lid, everything. Even the rubber ring around the lid comes off. The whole thing comes apart so you can deep clean it. No more drinking old, crusty coffee. This has saved me from looking like an idiot a million times. You're in a rental car, you pull up to the gas station and, oh no, which side is the gas tank on? Don't panic. Look at your dashboard. Next to the little gas pump symbol, there is a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the side of the car your gas cap is on. Mind blown. It's on almost every modern car, and you probably never even noticed it. Your dishwasher is lying to you. You run a cycle and your dishes still have junk on them, or it just smells weird. That's because you aren't cleaning the secret filter. At the bottom of your dishwasher, right under the spinning arm, is a filter that catches all the gross leftover food. If you don't clean it, your dishwasher just sprays that nasty gunk back onto your plates. Twist it out, rinse it once a month, and your dishes will actually be clean. Guarantee you are using this wrong. I'm talking about the drawer under your oven. That is not a storage space for your baking pans. On many ovens, that's a warming drawer designed to keep food perfectly hot without overcooking it. And on some gas ovens, that drawer is the broiler. You literally might have an entire cooking feature you have never used. Check your oven's manual. You're missing out. For our last secret, let's talk about the rubber band. This thing is a superhero. Can't open a jar? Wrap a rubber band around the lid for an insane grip. Clothes falling off a hanger? Wrap a rubber band on each end to hold them. Cutting board sliding everywhere? Put a rubber band on each side to lock it down. But the best one is stretching it over an open paint can so you can wipe your brush on the band instead of the messy rim. It's a secret weapon. And that's it! 10 secrets that were hiding right in front of your face this whole time. It just proves the world is packed with insane designs, and you just have to pay attention. The next time you use something, look closer. You never know what secrets you're going to find. Which of these 10 secrets blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you know a crazy secret that I missed, I want to hear it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.